So it really has come to this, right? No doubt, it had to come to this. You know what I mean? Got the old music, yeah. The one giant lead hat. Oswald hat. And they don't stop, and they don't stop until Freddy is on top. Till I be getting me more guap. Hey y'all, jet ski heights on top of the wall. The load off a lot of bullshit, I'm dropping it all. You in the corner in between whether to forfeit or brawl. I keep minding my with binoculars spotting for broads. I know with me's forever cutthroat, chopping them cards. And my name is not on the fly if you don't pocket me more. Alter the law, stalking the crop, dodging the odds, and punch a fat cop in the stomach for knocking it apart. The flow been on a different field, giant locking the scars. Why I seem so surprised when on the ball isn't draw? I've been awkwardly bored, therefore been jotting it small. Always felt like time froze and the clock isn't off. I'm involved with the sauce and living off of the flaws. I'm here to build me a house instead of knocking on doors. Ain't no coffin will drop unless in honoring God. I might have came here peddling, but I'm gone in the dodge. Cause if the job is a job, then we don't yawn in the mug. 6 to 6, 9 to 5, straight hog in the clock. The pace jog when they walk, it's baseball when they talk. Face squashed in the rod, they hate tossed in the rod. When babes offering job, they ain't talking the yard. That's why I lay a straight face when lames locking their jaws. Till I'm in the yard with the bong and the broad. And if really I'm ahead, then I'm calling it part. Yeah. I mean, out of everything that has happened, you know what I mean? We're still here flipping it, son. Hip hop. 9 to 5. 6 to 6, baby. You know what I mean? They don't stop till I'm getting me more guap.